When I left the military, I thought building a business online meant I needed to be a developer, know how to code, understand tech. I was wrong. There is a tool, completely free to start, that lets you build automated systems for your business without writing a single line of code. The same kind of set-it-and-forget-it infrastructure that Fortune 500 companies pay tens of thousands of dollars for. And in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to walk you through building your first one, even if you've never touched a workflow tool in your life. Warriors, I'm Alan Davis, and this is N8N for Veterans. Let's get into the mission. Let me break this down in terms that actually make sense. In the military, we had logistics systems, supply chains that moved resources automatically from point A to point B without needing a commander to babysit every step. N8N is that, but for your online business. Here's what it actually does. It connects your apps, automates your tasks, and builds workflows that run 24/7 whether you're working or not. For example, imagine every time someone fills out your contact form, 3 things happen automatically. Their information gets saved to a spreadsheet. They get a professional follow-up email from you, and you get a notification on your phone, all in under 2 seconds, without you touching anything. That's what we're building today. And here's why this matters specifically for veteran entrepreneurs. We were trained to build systems that operate independently, that don't require constant supervision, that keep running even when the operator isn't there. That's exactly what N8N does for your business. And once you know how to build these systems, you can sell that skill. Small businesses will pay you between $500 and $2,000 to set up one automation. I'll show you how at the end. But first, let's build it. Getting started is simple. Go to n8n.io. You've got 2 options: N8N Cloud, which has a free trial and is the easiest to start with, or the self-hosted version if you want full control. For this tutorial, we're using Cloud. You can be up and running in under 2 minutes. Click Get Started Free. Enter your email, set a password. Once you're in, this is your N8N workspace. I'm not going to lie to you. The first time I opened this, it looked complicated. But here's the thing. Think of this screen as your mission planning board. Every workflow is a mission. Every node, every box you'll see is a task in that mission. On the left, your workflows list. In the center, your build canvas. Up top, your execute, save, and activate controls. That's all you need to know right now. Today we're building what I call the Veterans Client Intake System. Mission objective. When someone fills out your contact form, N8N automatically logs their information and sends them a follow-up email, without you touching anything. This is a real system I use in my own business. After this tutorial, you'll have it too. Step 1. Create a new workflow. Click New Workflow in the top right. Give it a name. I'm calling mine Client Intake Auto Response. Hit Save. Step 2. Add your trigger, the webhook. Every N8N workflow starts with a trigger, the thing that kicks the whole mission off. In our case, the trigger is someone submitting your contact form. Click the plus button on the canvas. Search Webhook. Add it. Here's what this does. N8N gives you a unique URL. Paste that URL into your contact form as the destination, whether you're using your own website, Typeform, or Google Forms. Every time someone submits that form, N8N wakes up and starts the workflow. But here's the thing. A webhook by itself does nothing. It's just the trigger. We need to tell N8N what to do with that information. Step 3. Add Google Sheets, your mission log. Click plus again to add the next node. Search Google Sheets. This is your central command. Every lead, every inquiry, every contact automatically logged in one place. Connect your Google account through N8N's simple OAuth flow. Once connected, choose your spreadsheet. Create a blank Google Sheet first and call it Client Inquiries. Now map your fields: first name, last name, email, message. Whatever your form collects, match them one-to-one. It takes about 60 seconds. Step 4. Add Gmail, the automatic follow-up. Click plus again. Search Gmail. Add it and connect your account. Now configure your email. In the To field, map it to the email address from your form. For the subject, use something personal. "Hey, I got your message." In the body, write a short, warm reply in your own voice. Confirm receipt, give a timeline, and point them to your best resource. Here's what just happened. Someone filled out your form. Your system caught it, logged it, and sent a personal-feeling email within 2 seconds, without you doing a single thing. That is force multiplication. Step 5. Test the workflow. Before we go live, we test. Every mission gets a rehearsal. Click Execute Workflow at the top. Then submit a test entry through your contact form using your own name and email. Watch the canvas. Each node lights up green as it completes. The webhook fires, Google Sheets logs the entry, Gmail sends the email. Check your inbox. There it is. Step 6. Activate. Once your test runs clean, flip the Active toggle in the top right. Your workflow is now live, running 24/7. Mission go. Every inquiry from this point forward logged and followed up automatically. Now, here's where this gets interesting for veteran entrepreneurs. You just built something that small business owners need, and most of them don't know exists. Think about every local business you know: restaurants, HVAC companies, law firms, real estate agents, veteran-owned businesses. Every single one of them has a contact form, and almost none of them have automated follow-up. The average business takes over 40 hours to respond to an online inquiry. Businesses that respond in under 5 minutes close dramatically more deals. You can sell that gap. Here's the pitch, in pure military language. I'll build you a system that automatically captures every inquiry, logs it, and follows up in under 2 seconds, so you never lose a lead to slow response time again. I set it up once. It runs forever. I charge between $500 and $1,000 per automation setup. Takes me about 2 hours to build. That's real money for work that requires zero ongoing effort from the client. And because we're veterans, we close. We communicate clearly. We show up on time. We deliver what we promised. That's not normal in the freelance world. That's a competitive advantage. Look, when I first got out, I thought the tech gap was going to hold me back. I was in the military, not Silicon Valley. But here's the truth. Building these systems doesn't require a tech background. It requires the ability to follow a process, think systematically, and execute step by step. Sound familiar? Warriors, we were built for this. We just needed the right tools. N8N is one of those tools. And what you built today? That's a real system. One that runs while you sleep, scales without your time, and can be sold to any business in your community. That's what income freedom looks like. If you want the next piece, I'm breaking down how to connect this system to an AI agent that qualifies your leads automatically before you even talk to them. That's the next mission. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop a comment right now. What's the first thing you want to automate in your business? I read every single one. See you in the next mission.